Good morning, everybody. Have a nice morning today. Have a very nice time with my English class at the beginning of the day. Welcome. You're most welcome to my digital classroom, your spoken English class. Spend just 2 or 3 minutes a day here in my class and be a fluent English speaker very shortly. Today I'll read two beautiful stories with two beautiful lessons for all of us. Try to follow me, yes, with all your attention. Now the stories. But you have to wait a bit till the end to know the names and the morals. Let's start the first story. On a hot summer day, a youth hired an ass to carry him from Athens to Megara. At midday, the heat of the sun was so scorching that feeling faint, he dismounted to rest himself in the shadow of the ass. Thereupon the driver disputed the place with him, declaring that he had an equal right to it with the other. "What?" exclaimed the youth. "Did I not hire the ass for the whole journey?" "Yes, indeed," said the driver. "You hired the ass, but you did not hire the ass's shadow." And while they were wrangling, the ass took to his heels and ran away. Name of the story: The Ass's Shadow. The moral: too many disagreements have naught but a shadow for a basis. The second story. It was harvest time, and the master and the reapers were out in the field. When the sun was high in the sky, the maidservants loaded the ass with good things to eat and drink and sent him to the field. On his way, he noticed a fine large thistle growing in the lane, and being hungry, he began to eat it. As he chewed it slowly, he reflected, how many greedy people would think themselves happy amidst such a variety of delicacies as I am carrying? But for my taste, this bitter prickly thistle is more savory and appetizing than the most sumptuous banquet. Name of the story: The Ass Eating Thistles. And the moral: one man's meat may be another man's poison.